Sex, money, being star. Baby, don't you cry. Sex, money, being star. Baby, don't you cry.
Hey guys, it's Eva. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a mega neon cat, and I am so excited. It took me like so long to grow them all up because you have to grow 4 cats to make a neon, and then you have to grow that neon up, and then you have to do that for four neons. So you have to get 16 cats, each them all up, make them neon, and then each up all the neons, and then and it takes so long, but I finally got it, and I am going to be making a mega neon cat in today's video, so I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, we're just gonna head over to the the neon room where you transform pets into neons. So I'll see you when we're at that room. Okay guys, so we're here and I am so excited to make this mega neon cat. I have all of them here, so there's 3 and then I have one up there. So I'm so excited. I got the very first one, which is Bubbles. Look how cute that is. I put accessories on them because I don't know why, it just makes it fun. But I'm so excited. But let's just get started. Oh my, what's in there? Okay, the next one. Look, this one is wearing the new detective set. So cute. Okay, and then just cat. And ready? The very last one. The last cat. I'm so excited. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What is it? Let me see. Oh no. The video got cut off. I'm so sorry about that. But I'm just so happy that I actually got this mega neon cat. It's so adorable. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you get a notification from me if I post a new video or a live. And comment down below if you have a mega neon pet and adopt me. And this is my first ever mega neon pet. The next pet I'll be making mega neon is a dog, so stay tuned until that video. And yeah, I love y'all so much. Thank you for all the support and for subscribing. But I love y'all so much. Bye guys!